Hi guys, it's me again, Dinah. So ayan guys, as you can see, napaka-foggy today and halos wala tayong makita. And it's super thick too. So ayan, nag-decide nga pala kami na pumunta ng town. And yung pinakamalapit nga pala na town, it took like, 20 to 25 minutes na drive papunta doon. And since, naman na nakatira nga kami sa countryside, at ayun nga guys, desisyonan namin na bumili ng gate at maglagay na lang ng gate doon sa aming driveway since magpa-Florida naman kami soon. So maraming fin staff si Scott doon sa shop. So mas mainam na nga na maglagay kami ng gate since magstay kami ng Florida, I think like 3 months. So mas mabuti na nga maglagay na lang ng gate so para walang makapasok doon sa property. So ayan guys, halos wala kang makita dito kasi nga gaya ng sabi ko kanina guys, malapit lang nga din kami sa lake.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every part. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every part. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So ayan guys, the sun is trying to come out but it's still foggy and ayun na nga, since dala nga namin yung trailer pag alis namin kanina, so ilalagay na lang namin yung gate na binili niya doon sa Tractor Supply and para matapos na rin and it's only few weeks na rin na magpa-Florida kami kasi nga una niyang ihatid yung RV at saka babalik naman kami sa bahay para kunin yung boat niya. So normally guys, every winter nandun kami sa Florida. Minsan pa nga November pa lang nandun na kami. But this year, we stay longer here dito sa bahay. So he's going to make 2 trips soon kasi ihatid niya muna yung RV first and then babalik naman kami dito para kunin yung boat niya. So, it's a lot of drives, lalo na it take, I think, almost 12 hours din papunta doon sa Florida and then pabalik dito and then papunta naman doon. So, ayun, it's a lot of long drives soon. So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa driveway and it's still foggy here. Super thick pa rin. So, may nakita nga pala kaming malaking deer dito sa aming driveway guys. Grabe, it's so big. So, as you know that me and Scott, we both like, to hunt. Nag-hunt din siya. But today, since maglagay nga kami ng gate, and yun ang gagawin namin today. So, ayan, dito namin nakita yung malaking deer. I think it's a giant. It's big one. So, there you go, guys. You see that? It's so big. There you go. Napakalaki niya, guys. Super. And dyan din pala namin ilalagay yung gate as you see that post over there. So, ayan. Yun na guys, it just ran away. And ito na nga guys, ilalagay na namin yung gate. So, yan yung nabili niya and dito namin ilalagay yung gate. So, ayan. So, ayan nga guys, natapos na yung gate. Nalagay na ni Scott dyan. And ito nga pala yung driveway namin ay sobrang layo doon sa bahay. So, yung bahay is nandun pa. So, ayan. Dyan pa yung bahay. And, ayan. So, ayan nga pala guys, ito yung dalawang, tree dito sa harap ng bahay. And ayan, yung isa halos wala ng leaves. At saka yung isa late pa rin. So, dito ko muna tapusin yung vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you next one. Bye!